The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the following Michigan counties: Antrim and Charlevoix. Effective until 10:44 p.m. the National Weather Service in Gaylord has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Antrim County in northern Michigan, south central Charlevoix County in northern Michigan, until 10:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:43 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Old Mission, or 7 miles north of Elk Rapids, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Torch Lake and Clam River around 9:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations in the path of this severe thunderstorm include Bel Air, Central Lake, East Jordan, and Jordan Township. Precautionary/preparedness actions. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Forward 20